Day and night, Robert and his team are responsible for the operation of several automatic systems. In the past, these were equipped with separate alarm devices. As a result, the operation was complex, and the management of malfunctions caused him headaches. But that's water under the bridge. With Stebalarm, Robert has networked all systems with each other without having to replace a single controller because the alarm system works with every system. It is flexible, user-friendly, and modular. Robert decides whether an alarm is sent by SMS, mail, pager, or voice call. He configures the various systems at the control center directly via the web browser on the PC or smartphone. An integrated firewall and VPN encryption ensure security. To ensure that the alarm goes out to the responsible person, Robert records the duty roster. Since employees have different qualifications, Robert groups them into different groups of people who only receive alarm types they are familiar with. If a person does not react to the alarm, the system escalates to another predefined person. And best of all, Robert does not need any special IT knowledge. Everything works intuitively and user-friendly. As Robert's company is known to have several locations, he runs Stebalarm networked with several outstations, which can also send alarms directly without going through the central office. Via the encrypted network of Stebalarm, other systems like the process control system and controllers also communicate. Since Robert has been using Stebalarm, he can sleep peacefully again at night because he knows he can rely on this alarm system.